Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time given to us. We will present about our article from Put Suriah dan kawan-kawan, the implementation of blended learning using VAKSIN in Moodle to improve student problem solving skill of geometry. Okay, the study aims to investigate the implementation of blended learning using VAKSIN in Moodle in the geometry course, and the second, the effectiveness of blended learning using VAKSIN in Moodle, the students' problem-solving skill of geometry. And then I will describe about the introduction about this article and the background, of course. We know that blended learning is an approach to guide learning process which is more effective for students based on Kaiser and Tech 2012. And then we know that blended also provide many convenience because it can be done in many ways and media. Of course, it can be viewed when it's combined with the hands-on activity learning model, so students are more active in asking, exploring, collecting, and analyzing data. And then about the VAKSIN. VAKSIN is video animasi untuk sistem pembelajaran online, or in English, animated videos for online learning. VAKSIN is one of innovation that can be utilized by teacher in the long distance learning, with the Ningrum et al. 2022. I think that current millennial generation to be more active and interested in information and technology. Animation is a good learning tool because the audio messages are combined with visual graphic to provide double function based on Liu and Al 2019. i.e. as an instructional tool or as learning media, animated video can be said as effective learning media because it is able to animate, move, or show a set of images by displaying one image of another. And then about the VAKSIN also provide many advantages, especially on student understanding. It creates pedagogical platform as information contribute to positive educational input and output, based on Pelo Bravo Bawah 2012. It can be viewed every time and cause student interest on the material presentation. Furthermore, the use of animation is needed to support teaching and learning process, especially in delivering difficult material. The role of animated video is as alternative of learning videos. Based on the explanation above, researchers take the initiative to use VAKSIN in blended learning using Moodle to improve student problem solving of geometry. Okay, about the method. This is research and development that implement AT model. This model is chosen because it is suitable with the developed learning model. In the study, the researcher developed blended learning model using VAKSIN in Moodle. VAKSIN in abbreviation of video animasi untuk sistem pembelajaran online or animated video for online learning. About sample and data collection. Sample of this study are third semester students of mathematics education department who take geometry course at 3 Indonesian universities. The data is collected using tests of understanding concept in geometry and interview to clarify the result. This is about the table. The data analysis using AT model. The first stage analysis. The activity start from pre-planning and then identifying pre-learning with the problem solving of the third semester student, and then identifying learning environment. In this case, the learning management system that is used, and identifying strategies in delivering material using videos. And the second stage is design. The first, designing the learning concept of blended learning using VAKSIN, and the second, designing the development tool of blended learning using VAKSIN, and the third, writing the design of each learning unit in geometry material, and the fourth is writing the instruction of applying design and creating blended learning in model. And the third stage of analysis is develop. First, developing prototype in form of the design in developing blended learning using VAKSIN. And the second, starting to create product, geometry materials and VAKSIN that are suitable with the structure of blended learning. And the third, making instrument to measure the effectiveness of blended using VAKSIN. And the fourth stage is implementation. Implementing blended learning using VAKSIN enabled to study geometry and reviewing the objective of developing blended learning using VAKSIN student interaction and asking feedback of evaluation process. The last stage is evaluation. The first, reviewing in the influence of blended learning using VAKSIN critically and measuring the achievement of objective in developing blended learning using VAKSIN. And then measuring student achievement related to the improvement of geometry problem solving, and the last is finding information that can make student obtain better result. And the result of this study, let's can see the slide. The result of this study. First, the online learning optimizes the synchronous and asynchronous collaborative or independently. Therefore, it utilizes blended learning using VAKSIN in Moodle. And the second, the hypothesis testing used t-test with spirited variance. The significant level or alpha is 5%. The value of t-table equal 1.99. 0.4707, and the value of T count equal 3,182,19098. Because the value of T count more than T table, null is rejected and H1 is accepted. The result of hypothesis testing show that blended learning using VAKSIN is more effective than online learning. The conclusion of this study are: first, blended learning using VAKSIN is Moodle can be implemented in the evolution era 5.0, and the second, blended learning using VAKSIN is effective to be implemented in the learning process. Thank you very much. This is the presentation of our group based on our article that the title have been read just now. Thank you very much. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.